In today's video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to connect ClickUp with Canny step by step. This integration is extremely useful if you want to turn customer feedback from Canny into actionable tasks inside ClickUp, keep your product team aligned, and streamline your feedback workflow. If you're managing feature requests, bug reports, or user suggestions, this setup can save you a ton of time. Before we jump in, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and log into your ClickUp account. Make sure you're signing in with the workspace where you want the Canny integration to be active. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your ClickUp dashboard where you can see your spaces, folders, and lists. Next, look at the left-hand sidebar inside ClickUp. Scroll down and click on the option labeled More. This section contains additional settings and tools that aren't shown by default in the main navigation. After clicking More, find and click on Apps. This will open the ClickUp App Center, where you can browse, search, and manage all integrations that connect ClickUp with other platforms. Inside the App section, scroll through the list or use the search bar to find Canny. Once you see the Canny integration, click on it to open the integration details page. Now, click on the Connect button. This is where ClickUp will ask you to authorize the connection between ClickUp and your Canny account. At this point, you'll need to switch over to your Canny account. Log into Canny in a new browser tab, then navigate to your Canny settings. From there, locate the API section and copy your API key. This key allows ClickUp to securely communicate with Canny. Go back to ClickUp, paste the API key into the required field, and complete the login or authorization process. Once the API key is accepted, ClickUp and Canny will be successfully connected. After the connection is complete, you can start syncing feedback from Canny directly into ClickUp. This allows you to create tasks from feature requests, track progress, assign owners, and manage everything from one central place. It's a powerful way to keep your product roadmap organized and aligned with real user feedback. And that's it. You've successfully connected ClickUp with Canny. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more ClickUp and productivity tool guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.